A step-by-step guide to MyMajors assessment presented by the Career Center at Long Beach City College. Step 1. Visit the Career Center webpage by visiting lbcc.edu. This will take you to the Long Beach City College website where you will select College Services, Career Center from the drop-down menu. Once you are directed to the Career Center webpage, make sure you select My Majors. Then you will click on the first link called My Majors Career Assessment. This will take you to the My Majors account. Step 2. Complete the My Majors assessment. You will first provide your information such as your first name, last name, and answer the question, what is your current status at Long Beach City College? Choose one that best fits you. Provide your LBCC student ID number. And which of the following best describes your educational goal? Check which statement best describes you. Depending on your answer, you will have a series of questions to answer next. Then you will select your major. How confident are you about your choice of major? Why did you choose this major? What would be your ideal dream job? And which of the following career and academic pathways do you find more interesting? You may click on the blue font as it will direct you to the links for each career and academic pathway we have. Each link will provide a further explanation of each of the pathways. You will have a brief description of the career and academic pathway and the degrees and certificates Long Beach City College withholds for the career and academic pathway. Once you select the career and academic pathway you find more interesting, you will answer your enrollment status during the first semester. Are you interested in taking day, evening, or online classes? Your current employment status. Do you have any concerns about entering Long Beach City College? Check all that apply, if any. Are you interested in connecting with students and faculty that have an interest in? You may pick up to your top 3. And lastly, reason for taking the MyMajors assessment. Please then identify the most appropriate selection from the list. Step 3. Create an account. You will create your own unique login and password. Please provide an email you have access to periodically. Then create a unique password. If you forget your password, you can request to reset it by using the email that you provided when creating your MyMajors account. Step 4. Review your results. You will be able to view your results immediately after taking the assessment. We encourage you to provide us feedback by filling out the survey. Here is the survey that you may fill out once you have reached the results portion. Going back to your results, you will see on the top the career and academic pathways at Long Beach City College laid out for you once again. Then on the left-hand side, you will have your LBCC top 10 best fit majors. Each major will have its classification for career and academic pathway, the degrees and certificates Long Beach City College offers for that major, a brief description of that major, and a program brochure that includes the program student learning outcomes, and a program mapper. You will click on the program mapper that will direct you to the program mapper for Plan B and C. Here you will see the degree that's being offered for the major at Long Beach City College and a program mapper for transferring to the California State University of Long Beach. The program map will include Plan B or Plan C. You will see the layout per semester and its coinciding classes you will take for that semester. Please schedule an appointment with the counselor by clicking on Make an Appointment. This will direct you to the counseling webpage where you can schedule an appointment with a counselor. Going back to your results, you have the potential careers you may get with that major, a link to myplan.com, a link to Occupational Outlook Handbook, and a link to Career Coach. Lastly, you have a salary range for a related career. You may want to click on the link to the Bureau of Labor Statistics website. As you scroll up, on the right-hand side is a downloadable option to access your results and allow you to print a copy of it. We encourage you to have a copy with you at all times to reference back to. You will also see at the end of this report our resources and contact information. These resources are helpful when you need to reach out to various areas for support and assistance. We encourage you to schedule an appointment with a career counselor for further assistance. You can always attend our MyMajors interpretation workshop for additional support. And you may send us an email at careerteam@lbcc.edu or give us a call at 562-938-5195. We would like to thank you for watching and have a great day.